This is the final section of the Copasetic Chair Dance. So it is verse 3, section 3, plus our big finish. Okay, we are on our final section of the Copasetic Chair Dance. We actually just have one section and then sort of a variation on a shave and a haircut we're going to do. This dance is kind of weird because the third verse only really has 3 sections, where all the other verses have your nice even 4. So we finish with those over the tops, and the legs are, your left leg should be kind of center, your right leg's off to the right side. This is the section that would be the trenches in the BS chorus. And so you're going to take the feet and swing them over to the left side. And you're trying to put sort of the sides of your taps on the floor. Then you're going to swing them to the other side. And you swing them back, and back, and back. You do a bunch of these. You do 12. So it's going to be 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 9, 10, 11, actually 12, you're coming to the center, because then you're going to stand up. And our little variation on shave and a haircut, you're going to jump forward, you're going to step back on the left foot, step back on the right foot, step forward on the left foot, scuff the right heel, heel drop left, and your little slam to the floor. So all together it's going to be jump, left, right, left, scuff, heel, slam. Okay, so let's put our little swinging trenches together here with our little shave and a haircut variation. So you have 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, jump, back, back, forward, scuff, heel, slam. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, jump, back, back, forward, scuff, heel, slam.